Today we're going to be doing a procedure on my lovely client Hannah to treat a condition called Bruxism. Bruxism is when a person may clench their teeth or grind their teeth, sometimes in their sleep without knowing it, and it builds and enhances the masseter, the jawline muscle. So we will be treating this with 3 small Botox injections on either side of her face, just to help reduce this clenching, which in turn slims the face. So this procedure is quite popular amongst Asian clientele, as they have quite large masseter muscles, which gives a more square face appearance. So the Botox just helps slim the face and give a more feminine appearance.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm originally from New Zealand and have now moved to London. I chose to have this treatment done after noticing an increase in grinding my teeth during my sleep. I also had done some research and heard about the slimming effects that it can have on your jawline. I originally heard about the clinic through friends who had had their own treatments done with Alice and were really happy with the results. I then looked up Alice and the clinic, and both have an incredible reputation.